So now we're going to look at our last step for this flip book is volume of pyramids and cones. So looking for the volume of a pyramid, it's going to be 1/3 times big B, which is area of your base, times the height. But remember, the height is the distance from the apex straight down to your base, and it makes a right angle. The volume is 1/3 times pi r squared times h for a cone. So if we look at number 5, this is a pyramid. So we're going to use volume is equal to 1/3 big B times h. So yeah, well, it happens that way. So looking at number 5, the area of the base is a rectangle. So we'll say B is equal to 6 times 15. So my area of the base is equal to 90. So if we substitute that into our equation, 1/3 times 90 times my height, which is 4, my volume is equal to 120 centimeters cubed. Looking at number 6, we got another pyramid. Area of the base is going to be 16 times 16. So we get that the area is 256. Volume is equal to 1/3 times 256 times my height. But if you look at this time, they did not give me my height. What we have to remember is we have to use Pythagorean theorem. So the side across is 8. My hypotenuse is 17. So it's going to be that it is, we'll do it around here, h squared plus 8 squared is equal to 17 squared. So if you do the math, you get that h is equal to 15. So all that times 15. Put it into your equation. You get that volume is equal to 1,280 yards cubed. You got 2 more. So you have to remember everything we talked about with the slant height as well. So looking at number 7, it's still this one has a triangular base. So area of the base is equal to 1/2 times length times width. It's a right triangle, making this my height and this my width. This side over here is your hypotenuse. With a right triangle, you never use the hypotenuse in finding your area. 3 times 11, you get that big B is equal to 16.5. You have to recognize at this point that you might have different triangles on the bottom. The formula is still the same. Area is equal to 1/2 times base times height, but you have to be able to tell which is which from the right triangles and then the other triangles. Plug it in. Volume is equal to 1/3 times 16.5 times your height, which is 8. Volume is equal to 44 meters cubed. Number 8, it's a cone. Our radius, they gave you the diameter, it's the whole part, is 10. My height is 27. Remember, if they didn't give you the height and they give you the slant height, you would still have to use Pythagorean theorem to find it. So volume is equal to 1/3 pi times 10 squared times height, which is 27. You plug that in, volume is equal to 2,827.4 inches cubed.